Yeah, we'll be working on the evo again today. Got a few things put in. Got some new speakers. The ones in there are blown and don't sound very good. I got also a fuel filter. And then the reverse lights don't work. So while I was getting the fuel filter, I went ahead and grabbed a reverse light, backup light switch. Replace that just to see if that works. It was pretty cheap, so I just grabbed it while I was there. I haven't really looked into it, so hopefully that's all the problem is. Okay, so let's get started. The reverse light switch should be down here, down there somewhere. So I'm gonna remove the intake and probably some other hoses around there. Should be the reverse light switch right here. So find a socket that'll fit that and get it off. Okay, got the old one out. It was a 24mm socket. Okay, the new one's in. We're gonna put all this back together and see if it works. Okay, here's the old front speakers. You can see they've seen better days. They're pretty much shot. I got these going up to a 6.5-inch kicker, so it'll sound a lot better. All right, let's put the new ones in. Okay, I got the new speaker in. It all looks pretty good. Adapter brackets, and I just use that to make it fit. So I'll leave the door panel off until I get them all done, just to make sure that there's no problems. So we'll go on to that door now. Okay, I got the driver's side all done. Looks good. See, this one was pretty much shot too. So we'll move on to the rear now. Okay, to get this back cover off, there's actually four screws right here. One here, there, and there. You unscrew those and then it just lift up on it. Here's the old rear one out. Just when I unplug the wires, looks like they spliced them in. I'm gonna have to fix that. I have a connector that will work on this. So, alright, let's go get the new ones. Okay, got the little adapter bracket on here. let's put it in. It's all in. Yeah, I just need to do the other side and then we'll be done. Both sides are done. So now it's time to test it, make sure it all works.